Begin configuring your calendar feed from the content menu by selecting the calendar style. In the new window, you will see a preview in the top left where you can see the current feed configuration. Click in the left corner of the preview to toggle the content views. Available content views are event, agenda, day, and week. Since calendars require a connection to your data, you must sign in to continue configuring the feed. Set a custom name for the feed on the right, then click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Select your content view. Calendar feeds support one view at a time. Again, those views are event, agenda, day, or week. Click the Add a New Calendar button. A modal window will appear. Choose iCal Calendar at the top. Enter a calendar name and paste in an iCal Calendar URL. Click Save Selection and the modal will close. Next, select a time zone for your feed. Choose your style from preset style buttons or further customize by choosing the Custom Style button. Available style customizations are some preset fonts, event, time, intro, and background colors, time frame. Depending on the content view, this could mean hours in a day or days in a week. Toggle buttons to hide the animated intro, end time for events, location of events, or to enable a 24-hour clock. 12-hour clocks are used by default. If the chosen calendar view does not have any available events in the time frame chosen, fallback text will be displayed. Edit the text box below fallback text to set your own custom message. Toggle the title between default, short date, or add in your own custom title. Optionally, upload a logo or image with the logo file picker. And adjust the animation quality. This applies only to HTML delivery. Once customized to your liking, select a language. This will adjust the automatic title options and day names. It does not translate your event contents. Set an intro style, background, and message for your calendar intro. Then select the delivery method. Available methods are HTML, Media RSS, and Direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your calendar feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.